Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how to trade Forex news drivers. So if you want to learn how to trade the Forex news, we'll give you everything you need, all the tools and indicators you need for Forex news trading. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to locate the news drivers. Okay, so we have 8 different currencies we trade. The Swiss franc, the British pound, the US dollar, etc., etc. There's 8 currencies that we trade with the Forex early warning trading system. Okay. And so you want, when you look at the news calendar, you want to look at the news drivers that can generate a lot of volatility. So this will generate a lot of volatility potentially for the British pound pairs. And this particular news driver, the durable goods, will generate a lot of potential volatility on the US dollar pairs. And those are the 2 of the currencies that we trade. So any of the British pound pairs, any of the USD pairs, that's 14 pairs right there in our trading system. So you know the exact time it's going to happen and date so you can get in front of the computer. Now you need a set of indicators to trade the Forex news. You know when it's going to happen. Now you got to know how to set up your indicators. So we used some trend indicators, some simple exponential moving averages. If you click on that link right there, it'll take you to this page. And we will show you how to set up these exponential moving averages. Here's the exact instructions right here, and this is what they look like on your trading platform. It's just simple exponential moving averages, and you set them up across 28 pairs. Okay, so that's your first indicator. The next indicator you need to have is a real-time momentum indicator to show you which currencies are strong and weak. And if you click on this link right here, it'll take you to this page, which is the Forex heat map. You can learn all about the Forex heat map here. So if you have a Euro news driver on the news calendar, then you're looking for the Euro to be consistently strong or weak, and then you can potentially buy pairs like the Euro USD or the Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, so those are your tools you need to trade the news. Next thing you need to do is you need to know how to manage your money. So you always want to trade with a stop, and then if you get into a profitable trade, you want to be able to scale out lots and then move your stop to break even. So short little article here, but we're telling you, giving you everything you need to trade the news. Let's look at one example. You know, one of the currencies we trade is the Canadian dollar in the 8 currencies that we trade. So if you go up to the Forex news calendar and you find a CAD, Canadian dollar news driver that has a potential high impact like this one, you just get in front of the computer when the news driver comes out, and you're looking for Canadian dollar. You're looking for consistency. You're looking for consistent Canadian dollar strength or weakness after the news. In this case, the Canadian dollar is weak across all 7 pairs. Therefore, the system even specifies, this is the Forex heat map now, this is the tool I just showed you. You're looking to buy the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar or sell the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, because the Canadian dollar is weak. Now all the pairs moved fine, all the Canadian dollar pairs. You could have pretty much traded all of them, but the best movements were here, and the Forex heat map will tell you and point you towards the proper pair to trade. So in this case, the Forex heat map specifies the best signal. You already have your trend indicator set up for all 28 pairs, including all of these pairs that you see here. And you can see quickly if you're trading in the direction of the trend. And you can pretty much within a day or 2 of setting up these indicators start to demo trade almost immediately every single news driver across 8 different currencies, as long as they're specified as high volatility. So trading Forex news drivers is possible as long as you have the right set of tools and indicators and a money management technique. Everything we presented in this article works for 8 currencies and 28 pairs, all the Canadian dollar pairs, all the Swiss franc, British pound, US dollar, Japanese yen, all those pairs, 28 pairs. We can show you how to trade the Forex news with these simple indicators. So this article is from forexearlywarning.com. Here's a link to the article right here, and we appreciate you having a look at our website, forexearlywarning.com.